Life is Strange. Nah, kemarin kita udah mencoba untuk memiliki kehidupan yang baik dengan cara menjadi fotografer ternama. Tapi lagi-lagi Max ini kan emang suka menyelamatkan orang-orang ya teman-teman, terutama menyelamatkan Kui. Kita tiba-tiba dapat telepon dari Kui kalau ternyata di Arcadia Bay, itu tohnya namanya, itu lagi badai. Dan Max takut Kui kenapa-napa untuk yang kesekian kalinya. Dan kita mencoba untuk menyelamatkan Kui lagi, tapi ternyata kita berhadapan sama Jefferson teman-teman. Dan kemarin kita bekerja sama David untuk menangkap Jefferson, tapi ternyata David justru ngebunuh Jefferson di saat itu juga. Oke, jadi langsung saja kita lanjutkan perjalanan Max di chapter selanjutnya. Siapa tahu kalian udah muak banget karena ini game gak selesai-selesai. Tapi menurut Siku, bagian yang menariknya adalah alurnya ini itu tergantung sama pilihan kita, teman-teman.
Good God.
Dan sifat
It's a
Max ini loh.
studio.
I better go outside and call Warren. Oh, please answer.
Dan sifat Max ini yang bener-bener pengen
Just looking at that makes me
menyelamatkan
want to
semua orang.
vomit.
Itu seakan-akan dipersulit sama
The
developernya
Prescotts had
sendiri.
to know about this.
Oh, kita udah cek itu ya kalau nggak salah kemarin. Oke, teman-teman, kita langsung aja lanjutkan dari yang kemarin. Kita udah keluar dari The Dark Room
Freedom.
dan kita merasakan
Holy
kebebasan.
This storm is real. I need to find Warren. Yes! Warren, can you hear me? Never mind. Listen, do you have that photo you took last night in the parking lot?
Yeah, but why? It wasn't that great a shot.
Yes, it is, and I want it. Where are you?
I'm at the Two Whales Diner. Pretty much trapped in here with Joyce thanks to this Armageddon weather. I'm expecting the ocean to turn red.
I'm on my
no.
way.
Come on, that's crazy. You can barely walk on the sidewalk outside. Seriously, Max, stay wherever you are. I don't think the storm's getting smaller. I'm kinda scared.
That's okay. Me too. But it's not over yet, Warren. So hold on.
Demi fotonya. Oke. Apakah kamu bisa nyetir mobil, Max? Harusnya bisa. Oke, bisa. Hujannya lebat banget ya.
I trust
Dan
little,
iya
having
benar,
warned
badai.
you for years that our culture of sin and entitlement would lead to God striking us down. And I'm the one trapped in this fucking radio station. Somebody get me the hell out of here now! Now, goddammit, while I pay all those taxes!
Sampai yang di radio juga panik.
You have one new message. Message received yesterday at 9 p.m.
Max, it's Nathan.
Hah?
I just wanted to say I'm sorry. I didn't want to hurt Kate or Rachel or
Yes.
I didn't want to hurt
Sedih
anybody.
banget. Nathan.
Everybody used me.
Ya, gue
Mr.
tahu kok.
Jefferson is coming for me now. All this shit will be over soon. Watch
Ah.
out, Max. He wants to hurt you next. Sorry.
Maafkan gak pernah bikin kamu kena suspek. Karena Ciku gak tahu kamu alat Jefferson. Sedih.
Warren is at the Two Wheels Diner, so hurry up.
Hey, Tracker!
Hey, that guy is trapped.
Kita bantuin.
I have to help everybody I can.
Thanks, kid.
You okay?
Once I get the hell out of here, I've been hauling loads way too long in this shithole town.
Halo, Pak Tracker. Aku akan
Let her go
menyelamatkan.
now.
And I ain't never coming back here. You need a lift?
No thanks. I have to find a friend.
You go, girl. You go.
Oke, oke, Pak. Adakah yang butuh bantuan lagi? Sini aku bantu. Karena Max adalah penyelamat super. Enggak juga sih. Ya maksudnya aku pengen menyelamatkan banyak orang. Mana sih Eren? Oh, itu. Ethan. Alah, mati.
Not Evan.
Bang.
I have to stop him from getting hurt.
Evan, ngapain kamu begitu? Mana matinya dia jelek banget.
Shot ever. Evan, did you see that tornado? Get the hell out of here.
Max, there's no way I can pass up these images.
Kamu minggir
Just
dulu.
look at it.
Enggak,
Can't
minggir.
take a picture when he's dead. Now move your ass.
Okay, you insist. Whoa, Max, you do know things. I'm such an idiot.
Only if you don't find a safe spot until this blows over.
Kiri, kanan.
Okay?
Now I better listen to the real everyday hero.
Diam.
Come with me.
I have to help somebody else first.
Mana? Mana yang bilang I don't wanna die here? Pak, diam dulu, Pak. Bentar. Buat masuk situ.
Please, God! Oh, I can't stand seeing these bodies.
Apa ini?
Please, help me get down.
Sempet-sempetnya.
I can't think about all those children out there.
Ada suara lagi.
Help me.
Hah? Oh, Alisa.
Alyssa needs help again.
Alisa. Gimana cara gue masuk sana? Alisa.
Please, help me get down.
Sabar.
Somebody help me.
Gimana cara kita ke sana?
Help me now, Max.
Kita berdua enggak itu.
Stop off, please.
How?
Help me get down.
How?
God damn it, I need help.
Sabar.
You're not. Please, guys, please, God. Please, God.
Udah, kita coba masuk sini aja. Kita lihat.
How can I get out of here?
Oke.
This makes me so sad.
Kita pakai. Kita buat kebakaran ini. Oh no.
He's dead. Electrocuted.
Aduh, kenapa sih bapak kamu sembunyi di situ?
I want to help that fisherman, but he's in shock and he might not hear me. Damn. I'm stuck here unless I... Okay. I just need to switch on the electricity to activate the sprinkler.
Nggak, Megazine nggak terlalu ini. Tapi kalau kita nyalain itu, nanti si fisherman ini mati, teman-teman. Pak, minggir dong, Pak.
I want to help that fisherman, but
Minggir.
he's in shock and he might not hear me.
Gimana ya? Nggak bisa, teman-teman.
Don't fail me, Fusebox.
Apain dulu ya? Cuma clear dong. Oke, Siku coba lagi. Laki-laki dia matinya begitu dong.
Oh no.
Aduh, mati kesetrum dia, teman-teman. Kayak gimana? Kita ulang lagi coba ya. Tapi kita di dalam situ. Apakah bisa?
This can't be the end.
Halo Pak. Sini. Oh bisa teman-teman.
Come
Kita
on.
harus
You have to get out of here right now.
I need to breathe. I need air.
Bentar, jangan di situ dulu. Gua
I can't die
nyalain.
in this room. I can't.
Diam dulu. Sini, aku pakai.
You should get out of here.
Dying.
Okay. I better hurry to the diner over there. I need Warren's photo.
Oke, kita keluar dulu dari sini. Kotanya kacau sekali dia. Mana sih dinernya? Oh ini tuh. Apa? Si Alifa masih ada gak ya di situ? Oh no.
Yes.
Kita tahan dulu itu apa namanya? Apinya biar gak menjalar
Damn, this is
kemana-mana.
blocked off. Damn, this is blocked off. Now I have to find another way into the diner.
Kok bisa ada mobil di atas? Oh no. Pak. Bu.
I should have warned her.
Bisa-bisanya dia
I never
tidur
even
di atas.
asked her name. So selfish.
Evacuation. Once again, this is not a test. This is not a test. An E6
At least nobody's going to starve in here.
and surrounding counties. The emergency broadcast system is now in effect.
Really?
Max. Oh, Max. Oh, Jesus, I am so glad to see you, sweetie. Are you okay?
Yes. What about you guys?
Two Whales is barely standing now. I don't know if it's gonna make it through this tornado. Oh, poor Officer Barry and all those people out
know.
there. Okay, get your ass inside. I have to get back to this gentleman on the ground. Lauren has been gathering all the first aid.
It's not much, Joyce, but it's all we have.
Oke.
You okay, Warren?
How the hell did I ignore all those warnings, Max? The snow? The eclipse?
There's nothing you could do about it, Warren.
I'm so stupid.
Tuh, ombaknya serem
Should
banget
have
tuh.
seen it
Kalian lihat di
coming.
jendela itu. Ombak dari pantainya.
So glad everybody is safe here.
Sting.
Halo,
But
friend.
I need that photo from Warren to help Chloe.
Sorry.
Oke.
No,
Kita
I'm
langsung
just
aja
a
deh.
pussy. Sorry.
Oh, bentar.
We will get out of this, okay?
Yuk, kita ngomong dulu deh.
Okay, Max. Excuse me while I go help this other gentleman.
Oke.
Frank, I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah, makes two of us. Now, if only I had Rachel back. Now, Max, what about that info I gave you? Did you and Chloe find out what happened to her?
Rachel is dead.
Frank. I don't know how to say this, so I just will. Rachel is dead.
God, no, please. Please, no, not Rachel. She can't fucking be. Are you sure? I mean, how do you know?
We used the names you gave us to track down a farmhouse. My professor, Mark Jefferson, has this creepy photo torture room. And we found out he was using Nathan Prescott to drug and photograph Blackwell students.
Prescott? Fuck, I knew it! I should never have hooked up with that sick punk! Pompidou hated him! Yeah, you saw Rachel?
Yeah.
Yes. I wish I didn't. I'm so sorry, Frank. Nathan wanted to impress Jefferson and he killed her.
How?
Emang parah sih.
How did he kill her?
Overdose.
He used some drug and gave her an overdose.
An overdose? The only way Nathan could have done that is if I sold it to him. I killed my lioness. No. What have I done? Where is this motherfucker Jefferson?
He's dead.
Dia mati.
He won't be hurting anybody anymore.
Rachel. Oh, God. She was the one good thing in my life, Max. I know she was too young. I expect her to leave me, just not how it happened. I would never have stopped her from going after her dreams.
I know. She obviously cared about you, Frank.
Rachel cared about a lot of people. Especially Chloe. But, now I see why Rachel dug her. And Chloe was man enough to ask me for help after all that shit we went through.
Chloe would appreciate that.
You know, the one time I met my dad, the bastard quoted the Bible and said he wanted to enter his house justified. In other words, to do the right thing. Me too. And maybe you're helping me get there, Max. Don't get me wrong, kid. I still think you're weird. But you're cool.
Mungkin itu aja ya, Frank. Kita nggak bisa ngomong lagi. Joyce, aku mau ngomong sesuatu juga.
Come on,
boleh?
Max. Let's talk over here and give Frank some rest and space.
Joyce, how are you doing?
Just when I think I've already been through the ringer. Where's Chloe?
Aku akan menemukan dia aja.
I'll find her.
Not in this storm, you won't. And you're not going out there, Max. I just have to pray that Chloe and David hold up someplace safe.
I'm sorry about all this, Joyce.
Don't be, honey. It's not like you whipped up this tornado on your own.
I mean, I'm also sorry about everything with David.
You don't have control over any of that. David is an adult, and he has a lot more age and experience under his belt. Even if he doesn't always show it.
I'm sorry aja ya, teman-teman, karena kita
I'm
harus...
sorry I caused so many problems with David and Chloe.
You did the right thing. David overstepped his bounds. I had a suspicion he was taking his private surveillance way too seriously. But he's sorry, and I wish he was here right now.
I just want our lives to be normal again.
With all the shit going on this week, I think you're right. And look at me, trying to keep my family together. Again. Max, did I make a mistake kicking David out?
David butuh kamu sih sebenarnya.
David saved my life from the storm. I saw how much he cares about Chloe, even if he couldn't show it. David needs you more than ever, and I can see why you love him.
I'm so happy David was there for you. He has a lot of weight on his back from the war, but
Oke,
he
berarti
truly wants to help
kita
people.
lebih ke kasih tahu
He even
kebaikannya
agreed to take a
David.
family counseling class. You know, after he hit Chloe.
I'm sure that was a hard thing for him to do. It shows how much he truly cares about you and Chloe.
Nothing would make me happier than for David and Chloe to make peace, not war.
Oke.
I don't know what to do anymore. I just want this storm to blow over forever. Maybe it's time we leave Arcadia Bay,
Arcadia Bay.
if we can.
David is a real hero, Joyce. I know that all he wants to do is make you happy. I know he would do anything for you. And Chloe.
I know. And yes, he's not William, but that's okay. He's not supposed to be. You reminded me of when he came into my life. I was ready to give up. David's love gave me strength. He even told me I was his hero. And I can't give up loving him. I want him to come back home. Oh, I hope I get to tell him that soon.
Oke. Oke, gitu aja ya ngomongnya. Jadi kita seenggaknya udah kasih tahu kalau David itu baik.
I
Oke,
can't seem to escape the two whales.
sebentar.
Good job, Warren. I hope those supplies are enough.
Papa do with me.
Halo Aaron. Ayo kita ngomong.
I hate to say I'm glad to see you, but I'm so glad to see you.
That's okay. The important thing is that you're safe. And I know you can take care of yourself after Nathan.
Should have done that a long time ago. But damn, Max. Can't believe you actually drove down here in the middle of a fucking E6 tornado. Just for one photograph? I mean, I know you didn't come for me.
Warren, I came for all of you. Just tell me you do have the photograph.
I just want...
Now shut up and listen.
Oh yeah, you're finally going to tell me what you never did in the parking lot.
I wish I would have. So I'm just going to tell you without any explanation. Trust me, okay?
I always do. You should probably tell me quick.
I had a vision in Jefferson's class of a tornado destroying Arcadia Bay. I went to the bathroom and saw my best friend Chloe get shot by Nathan Prescott.
Oke, dia kasih
You
tahu.
with me so far?
Where else could I be? Go on.
Then I found out that I could rewind time. And long story short, Mark Jefferson is insane and dangerous.
Iya.
Whoa, is that all?
Iya. Oh, kita bilang kayak gitu.
I have to go back in time. Jefferson already killed Chloe. I can't let that happen. I have to do something, Warren.
Max, going back in time is what caused the storm.
All because of me? How?
I'm not a real
Ternyata-
scientist, even though I play one at school, but this
Ternyata
seems like
karena
pure
dia
cause and
bolak-balik-
effect. Maybe chaos theory.
Walah.
What happened with Jefferson? Did he hurt you?
Iya.
He used Nathan to get drugs and money for him. Jefferson tied me up and dosed me with some drug and took sick photos of me. It was so horrible.
Max, I'm so sorry you had to go through all
Berarti
that.
adanya badai
You're
itu
the
gara-gara
bravest
kita tuh
person I've ever
bolak-balik
known.
pakai rewind
You
itu
know,
lah teman-teman.
I want to kill that son of a bitch. Where is he?
Dead. History. Which I need to change fast to make it right again. Is that bad?
For every action, there's a reaction. Whenever you reversed or alter time, maybe you caused a chain reaction. Even in the environment.
Kita bilang more time together atau you believe me ya?
Warren, I know this all sounds insane, but you're the only other person who I can count on now. I wish we had more time together. Do you believe me?
Max, of course I believe you. You're the most amazing person I've ever met.
Oke.
And I'm glad you trust me.
Always. I just wish I could trust my powers. I guess we'll never know if it's magic or science.
Even if it's from a wizard or a wormhole, you're part of something bigger. I don't believe in fate or destiny, but after this week, I realize I don't know shit.
That makes both of us, Warren.
I do know you're here for a reason, and I guess it's up to you to find out why. Max, I'm sorry you got stuck in this. I don't have a fucking clue what's going on. But I have total faith that you'll do the right thing when the time comes. I'm so proud of you, Max. How could there be a more important moment in history? And I'm in the middle of it with you. So thank you for trusting me.
Thanks for being here. Always. Please be
Bisa
okay,
ngomong sekali
Chloe.
lagi nggak?
I
Atau nggak
can't
bisa?
lose you.
Hey, be careful out there.
Ih, ada kesempatan, ada kiss hug lift. Kiss boleh gak sih? Boleh gak sih?
For luck.
Biarin lah si siapa Max tuh
Just in case we don't get out of this, I wanted to say,
I know, Lauren.
biarkan Max merasakan
Of course
kalau
you
dia menyukai Warren.
I'm gonna make the right choices from now on. I swear.
that's why you're Super Max.
Oke, kita officially pacaran sama Warren, teman-teman. Isiku genit nih, gak, maaf ya. Ciku cuman mau Max tuh itu aja.
Welcome to the end of the world.
Oh ya, paham, bentar. Belum.
Have you been drinking? I know. Pain's floating.
Hampir.
Welcome to the end of the world, ladies.
Oke, kita rewind dari sini, teman-teman.
We got no time for this shit. Come on, Max.
Chloe masih hidup.
Chloe. Jesus, dude, what is up with you?
I'm just glad we're here together.
I guess you need to talk. No worries. It's all good.
I'm glad you're with me too. What's going on, Max? We have to find Nathan right now. He's gonna
Sorry, Warren.
to Rachel.
Maaf Warren.
Let's go now. Chloe, wait, listen. I can walk and listen, okay? Stop and listen for once. Fine, Max. I'm listening.
Chloe, you can't go in that party. You're gonna die if you do.
You used your powers, right? And you fucked around with time and I died.
Not like
Bukan
that.
pakai kekuatan gua. Jangan gitu.
You're supposed to back me up. So there's no way that punk-ass bitch Nathan Prescott is taking me down.
You're right, he won't.
Bukan
Mark
Nathan.
Jefferson killed you. And others.
Jefferson, the art teacher? That's
Yeah.
bullshit. Nathan is the fucking serial killer. We
Tada.
saw the proof. Now, excuse me, I'm going to that party to make sure he never hurts anybody again. Are you coming?
Nathan is dead, Chloe.
Nathan is dead. And you're in danger.
That fucker is already dead? How do you know that?
Because I was there.
Will you please tell me exactly what happened? Please.
Oke, kita kasih tahu. Jefferson is a psychopath.
Mark Jefferson
Psychopath.
turned out to be a psychopath.
Okay, Max. Let's go in there as a team and take his ass out right now.
Jefferson hurt me.
Chloe. Jefferson drugged and kidnapped me. I was tied up in his bunker. You have no idea what hell I went through to get back here. But I couldn't let you die. You brought me back here, and I can't lose you again. I won't.
Max, I'm so sorry.
Ya makanya.
I was the one who dragged you into all this shit. Nobody, especially you, should have to go through that. Now we have to stop Jefferson. With one bullet.
Enggak.
Not this way.
Nggak gitu.
Chloe, I can't keep fixing everything if all I'm gonna do is just break it over and over again.
Betul.
I know how this is gonna turn out, and I'm afraid I'm fucking up all these alternate realities.
Wait, alternate realities? What do you mean, Max? What did you do?
Apa ya? Lebih ke terrible choice?
Chloe, I'm gonna tell you the truth, no matter what. I changed your past, and I had to make a terrible choice, and I...
Max, please tell me. I won't be mad at you.
I was able to go back in time to the last day William was alive. I stopped him from leaving, but you ended up in a car crash instead.
You saw my dad again?
Yeah.
You were completely paralyzed. And you were in pain. You were slowly dying, and you asked me to end your life. But Chloe,
waktu itu.
There was no way I could do that. I had to return to this timeline to see you again. I had to.
God, Max. That must have been awful for you. I'm so sorry I had to ask you that.
It was worse for you. But I had no idea what would happen, and as usual, I messed everything up, and I never want to hurt you. Ever. You have to believe me.
Of course I do. Do you think I would even know how to handle that situation? Nobody would. The important thing is that we're together again.
You're right. That's why you should come with me, so we can stay together and stay alive.
I hear you, Max, but do you think we should let Jefferson get away with torture and murder?
Of course not. If we tell David, he'll believe us and he can actually stop him. Right?
I don't get it. Why do you trust him after you totally reamed him the other day? He's not even at our house anymore.
David saved me, Chloe.
Chloe, David saved me from Jefferson. If he didn't track down the dark room, I'd be dead right now.
Max, I had no clue. I should have been the one to save you, but I'm so grateful David was there. So what's your plan?
We tell him everything, including that Victoria is in danger.
Okay. You've been through so much. I believe you, Max. After all, I'm still your faithful companion.
Yes, you are. So listen, in a few minutes, I won't know any of this happened. Nothing. We absolutely have to stay in your room and do nothing. Then we explain everything to David, and we finally let him do his job.
Betul.
You'll have to tell me exactly what I did and said just now. Just explain that I traveled through time using the photo.
Will you believe me?
Okay.
I'll always believe you, Chloe.
Oke, apa yang akan kita ubah teman-teman kali ini? Mari kita lihat. Oke, kita bekerja sama dengan David lebih cepat. Dan Jefferson ketangkap polisi lagi. Apakah akan ada badai? Oke, tetap ada badai, teman-teman.
Oh, Chloe! I see that the real Max is back. So, how was your time trip, dude?
Shut up! Oh, you're alive! You're alive! Oh, both of us! I did so much to bring you back, Chloe. It
worked. It actually worked. You're with me again. Looks like even fate doesn't want us apart. And
Sahabat
traveled through
selamanya.
multiple realities just to save my ungrateful ass over and over. And I hope it was worth it. But I don't blame you for wanting me out of your life after all my drama.
Okay.
Come on. I'm the official drama king and queen of Arcadia Bay this week. Just look at what my powers have caused in just a short time. Nobody.
You're Max fucking Caulfield, Time Warrior. Even if you weren't, you're kind and caring. Nobody could have a better best friend. Nobody. You didn't ask for any of this to happen, but it did. You need to accept how awesome you are.
Maybe I willed it subconsciously or something. I always wanted my life to be special. An adventure. But not without you. And it didn't happen until I moved back here. So, without you, my powers wouldn't even exist.
And for whatever scientific, mystical reason that we'll obviously never figure out,
Okay.
we were meant to be together at this exact moment in history. I have to think that Rachel was somewhere behind the scenes, fighting for justice.
I'd like to think that too. We all owe Rachel Amber. Now tell me everything that happened. You remember, right?
Well, we left the party and made sure Jefferson couldn't find us. For
Duh.
once, I was glad I lived in an actual fortress.
Yeah.
And the storm got hella crazy, and you said we would be safe at the lighthouse.
Chloe, look. The storm is getting bigger now. It's coming closer. I can't even believe this is real. This is happening because of me.
Stop it! Stop beating yourself up, okay?
Tapi itu
We
benar
both paid our
karena
dues already on that.
kita nggak bisa pakai ini terus.
Look at that monster. Who knows? This could be Rachel's revenge.
Langit dan
Our
alamnya
revenge.
pusing ya. Diulang mulu gitu.
The lighthouse is out of the way of the tornado. Come on!
Chloe.
I've got your back, Max.
Oke, kita blank.
Whoa.
Alfred Hitchcock famously called film little.
Oke, tiba-tiba kita ada di sana lagi. Oke. Mungkin untuk pertemuan kita kali ini pertemuan gak tuh? Aduh, Chico seneng banget tadi udah sama Meren si Max-nya. Ih. Oh, udah. Kita nggak boleh genit-genit Chico. Oke. Jadi, mungkin sampai sini aja dulu ya teman-teman. Makasih buat kalian yang udah menonton. Sampai jumpa lagi. Dan bye-bye. Selamat berpuasa ya.